Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore UTM naming convention. To restore UTM naming conventions across Google Sheets, we start by opening the relevant spreadsheet. Identify the column that contains the UTM parameters. Ensure that your UTM parameters are consistently formatted. Check for common inconsistencies, such as uppercase and lowercase letters. Create a new column next to the UTM parameter column for temporary data. In the first cell of this new column, enter a formula to standardize the formatting. Use the lower function to convert all text to lowercase. For example, if your UTM parameter is in cell A2, the formula would be equals lower A2. Press Enter to apply the formula. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all relevant rows in the new column. Review the results to ensure the formatting is consistent. Now, copy the newly formatted UTM parameters. Next, return to the original UTM parameter column. Right-click and choose Paste Special, then select Values Only to overwrite the original data. After pasting, you can delete the temporary column. Now, let's check for common naming conventions across the parameters. Standardize terms like source, medium, campaign, term, and content. You may use a separate reference sheet with preferred terms for consistency. Utilize the Find and Replace function to make bulk replacements in your UTM parameters. For instance, if Facebook appears in various ways, replace all instances with your preferred Facebook. Examine each parameter to ensure it adheres to your standardized naming conventions. Once all adjustments are made, conduct a final review of your UTM parameters for compliance. After confirming the standards are met, share the updated sheet with your colleagues for feedback. Regular audits of UTM parameters will help maintain consistency in the future. This completes the process of restoring UTM naming conventions in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.